Assalamu alaikum, welcome to Tech and Talk. So there is a lot of buzz around Chat GPT these days. So I have gone through its application. I have used that utility. In my opinion, my humble opinion, it's nothing but a kind of utility, and we are not going anywhere with it, right? So there is a lot of discussions going on in the market that we are going to be replaced. It's not going to happen, at least not now, right? So we are far behind, that thing. So relax, easy. Let's explore what is Chat GPT. So first of all, if you go to Chat GPT interface with chat.openai.com/chat, you will see this interface, right? So and before going to further, let me explain. Chat GPT is a product by OpenAI. It's product. So what is OpenAI? We will explore OpenAI in a separate video. This video is dedicated to Chat GPT. So if you go to the interface, you will see three tiles: examples, capabilities, and limitations, right? So why I'm saying that it's just a utility or tool, there are few points from my side to support that argument, right? So if you see, there is a text field at the bottom where you ask that chatbot about any query and it will respond, right? So you will ask one query and you will get one response, right? So if you do the same thing on Google, you will get thousands of opinions, right? So in my humble opinion, Google is much better search engine and information provider system, where you will get a lot of opinions from millions of users, right? And you have to stick with one reply from ChatGPT if you ask any query. How? Let's say if I query, I am a technical person. Let's say I ask a query, give me let's say school management system in C# source code. Let's see what it says. So you will going to get one class, which is student, and now there are some function going to be added in that student class. All right, get average scores, get scores, add scores, and then we are going to have a school class. So far so good. And then we have a program class with a main method and couple of operation going on student 1 and student 2. All right, and I think that's it. There will couple of text lines at the end with which will explain what happened in the code, and I guess we are going to be stopped getting those responses, and that's it. So do you believe this is a complete school management system just within a page, right? So that's why I said it's a utility to support you, and you should be an expert to use that tool, right? So if a layman or student gonna ask school management system in C# source code, he will get these two classes just in response. If you ask same query, you put in the Google, you will get lots of GitHub links with all implemented systems with working in a working condition. So that was my second argument. You should be an expert for using that open API tool, right? The third thing, yeah, so it simplifies the query process, right? We just ask one thing and we will get one response, right? And nothing else. And let me ask same query, let me copy paste this thing, and let's go to the Google, what it says. Okay, so now from the just start looking into those responses. School management system in C# source code, and there are a couple of videos to demonstrate that, school management system. And you can see there are a lot of responses and there are a lot of pages, which means there will be tons and tons of links with different aspects of school management system, their implementation from different level of expertise, with people with different level of expertise. So that's why I said that it's a simple query based system, but we will get only one simplified response. So that's why I said it's not going anywhere. And uh, I had a lot of stuff about Chat GPT over the internet last few weeks. So that's why I just explore it, just to make you guys aware that it's nothing but a simple concept, right? So basically it's a conversational way of querying to a system, right, where you ask something as a question and you get your response, right? So it's not a machine which we to which we provide a list of requirement and we will get a complete output in a working condition, right? This is not that thing, right? So I hope now you will get the required detail and required response, that this is not something that we that can replace us as an expert, maybe from any field, like from designers, developers, accountants, HRs. This is not something that will replace us. We can use it for our sport, but it will not replace us, at least in near future. So stay tuned for other interesting videos. Till then, bye bye.